Okay, kita boleh mulakanlah sesi latihan pada hari ini ya. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi, selamat sejahtera. Salam Malaysia Madani. Salam perpaduan kepada semua para peserta yang hadir pada sesi eksplorasi digital pada hari ini. Yang mana pada hari ini kita akan bersama-sama dengan pengendali bekalan data Odilo yang didatangkan khas daripada Manila, iaitu Puan Angelet daripada tenaga pengajar daripada pihak Odilo. Okey, seperti biasa saya amat menggalakkan kepada mereka yang masih belum menjadi ahli pustaka, amatlah dialu-alukan untuk mendaftar sekarang kerana ianya mudah dan percuma ya, tanpa memerlukan sebarang iuran yang dichargekan kepada pengguna. Okey, kepada yang telah lama menjadi ahli pustaka, terima kasih kami ucapkan, dan terima kasih juga kepada mereka yang setia bersama kami pada setiap kali sesi eksplorasi digital di pustaka pada tahun 2024 yang dijalankan ya. Salah apa tu ya? Okey. Bersama-sama dengan ini saya akan kami mesti akan menyiarkan video keahlian kepada semua sebagai panduan untuk yang mana yang belum lagi menjadi ahli bolehlah melihat video ini dan bolehlah terus daftar sebagai ahli pustaka. Dengan itu saya mohon Puan Azlina untuk menayangkan video keahlian. Silakan, terima kasih. Okey, terima kasih Puan Azlina. Okey, seperti yang kita lihat kepada semua yang masih belum menjadi ahli, senang saja kan? Senang saja untuk daftar keahlian sebagai ahli pustaka, tak perlukan yuran, amat mudah dengan menggunakan phone saja boleh, menggunakan tab ataupun apa saja medium yang menggunakan internet. Okey. Dan butir-butir yang diperlukan dalam borang keahlian tersebut ialah memerlukan nombor kad pengenalan, nama seperti dalam kad pengenalan tanpa ada tertinggal sedikit titik pun, nombor telefon, alamat email dan alamat rumah yang masih aktif digunakan. Okey, tanpa melengah-lengahkan masa, jadi saya mempersilakan Miss Angelet daripada tenaga pengajar pengkalan data Odilo untuk meneruskan sesi latihan ini. Hello Miss Angel.
Hello, Puan Rosmaini.
Okay.
Morning.
Good morning. Now, Miss Angel, you may continue this session, this training session for today. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. All right. I'm gonna show my face to everyone. So, good morning or salamat pagi to everyone. So, I think that's the only Malay I know so far. So, thank you, Puan Rosmaini and the rest of the National Library Malaysia partners that we have this morning, and for putting up this training. Thank you so much. Um, I'm from Philippines, and I am currently the customer success manager of Delo, assigned to National Library of Malaysia. So I'm gonna start right away. I'll be starting it with our PowerPoint presentation, and then we will have the online walkthrough. So please stay at the end of the session because we have exciting quiz and prizes for everyone. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm going to share my screen now. So while loading that up, so we are now 140 people here. So it's so nice to see a lot of people joining our session. It's after your long holiday. All right, so thank you for your time attending this session. So welcome again to our digital exploration at Upustako. This is our first training for this year. So we are having the regular sessions every year. And for the online, this is the first of this year, 2024. Okay, so this is our things that we'll be discussing this morning. Okay, we'll be discussing the content platform. Okay, and then will be followed by learning experience platform, which is our book club. Okay, let me just check quickly because I hear some background noise. All right, and then it will be followed by our question and answer, and then we'll be moving to the quiz. Okay, so welcome. All right, so before we actually move to the PowerPoint, let me, in a broad perspective, let me discuss to you what is Odilo first. So this is the unlimited learning ecosystem because it provides different type of contents such as ebooks, audiobooks, magazines. We do also have podcasts, videos, and even also courses. And with our platform, you can actually use it for to host your own documents. For example, you want to share a research or probably a perpetual book inside the platform, you can use our platform to upload your own content. So this is under DRM, so everything that you will uploaded will be secured. And then with that resources here available, we also have the learning experiences where you can maximize the platform where you um, have the topics, or if you want to learn something new, it's like to simply say it's like an online classroom that you can perform your classes or your lessons. But this one is in bigger perspective. So we do have different contracts. So we have different contract for PNM. So mostly is for the resource content or the for the resource part, and then there's only few from the learning experiences, which is our book club. So all in one, all of these things will be accessed through here in our unlimited learning ecosystem. So what are the goals of our digital library? Okay, of our platform. So we also called ourselves as Netflix for education. So initially, it is to provide the users with access to information while also encouraging reading and learning. So as we read, we learn things, we learn new things, we are getting updated. So we do have magazines available in our platform. So you will be informed through that. And by offering a variety of resources in different formats, the digital library helps users to develop digital skills and contributes to the advancement of research and knowledge. And with also through also the learning experiences through our book club, it serves as a virtual space for user collaboration. So later I'm going to show you how does really works this user collaboration. So still with our platform, you can access it anytime, anywhere. So this is a good thing of our technology. With this kind of platforms, we can access it anytime, anywhere, as long as we have the internet connection, as long as also we have the device, of course. So it is easier for us to reach out the information that we need. So this platform that we currently have can access both offline and online, and you can also access it in different devices or different type of devices at the same time. And our platform is an expanding library, so our resources is continuously updated. So we want to make sure that we are providing uh, exciting titles for everyone. So these are the type of the content that we can borrow or maximize in our platform. So initially, the biggest number of those contents are ebooks. So I just grab some of the um, top used or top borrowed titles currently in our platform. So this one is we have Mark Zuckerberg from Facebook. We have some from Lumberjanes or like a graphical content. We also have magazines. So I really want to highlight this part because through our magazines, we can have regular updates with what's happening, not just in, I mean, for the whole world, you know. So this is uh, very helpful for us. Okay, so these are the magazines, and our magazine is not just focused on the um, the adult magazines. I would really say that because we have some National Geographic. There's other magazines for little kids, so you can take full uh, maximize of all these titles. And for the audiobooks, we also have this um, type of content. If you want to be more to learn more through hearing, you can actually use the audiobooks. So there's some of the titles that we can actually borrow and courses. Okay? So there's ebooks, there's magazines, audiobooks, courses, and if you want to learn more something about specific things, so there's also a bunch of courses, and there's also few videos included in our platform. So better to check it out. So for the content disciplines, as you can see, there's a lot. It really not focused to one specific discipline only. This in a broad we are in a broad disciplines in the platform. There's fiction and nonfiction titles. There's titles for comics and graphic novels, just like what I've shown in the covers. And there's a lot of titles from children and youth books as well. There's titles for arts, techniques, lifestyle, mathematics, religion. There's political science, international relations, and many more. So this is a multidisciplinary platform. Okay, so I'm gonna just highlight few of the things that we really need to do prior using our platform. So we will be needing an account, okay, for us to maximize all the features, the contents inside the platform. So this our URL. It is simply as pnm.odilo.us. So earlier, we are shown how to access our online resources, not just Odilo, through our PNM website. But if you want to go directly with our Odilo platform, you just simply need to type in this URL to your browsers. And for those users who doesn't have yet the account, right now, you can create later. You just need to click sign up. So the sign up button is located at the top right corner of the page. And your account is good for content and learning experience platform. So whatever your credential for the content, that will be your credential as well with the learning experience or with our book club. Okay? All right. So for the borrowing resources, since we've mentioned that this is a library, this is an online library, some of you, how many titles that we can access or borrow in our account? So currently, we have 3 resources. We can check out up to 3 resources simultaneously, and we can use it and read it for 21 days. Okay, so this is our lending period so far. It's 21 days and it's 3 resources or 3 titles. Okay, so if in case that you still need more of the a title or the ebook or the audiobook that you just borrowed, you can reborrow the same title. So you just need to wait or probably make an allowance for you to download or rather borrow some resources later on. And for the borrowing resources, this is basically good, all right, 21 days for the ebooks and audiobooks. But it has a different borrowing resources or lending period for the magazines and newspaper. Okay, so it's much shorter. So for magazines, we have 3 hours only. But then again, if you need more time to read this, you can borrow. You just need to wait for 24 hours to borrow it again. And then newspaper is also 3 hours. Okay, so these are some of our magazine titles available, and both of them can be borrowed up to 3 hours. So for the filtering resources, since we have a lot of titles inside the platform, you can actually use the filter feature where you can limit your searches. Okay, if you want to be more specific in your searching, you can use the filter for format, publisher, author, topic, publication year, even language, theme, and audience. So you can take control of the searching through the right part of the page. So later I'm going to show you how it works. And we have the, I think, I'm not sure if we able to share it last year, but then we have just added this new feature in our platform. There's a cite feature already added where you can select different citation styles in the platform. So currently there's 7 citation styles in our platform. Okay. For those who are making research, for those who want to quote what they're reading on, you can really maximize the feature cite. Okay, I think this is really available to any other resources or databases that we currently have. So we just added this new feature in our platform, the site. And for offline reading, we can install the Adobe Digital Editions. Okay, this is a free application from Adobe, and you just need to install it to your computers. And prior activating it, you just need to select, or while activating it, you have to click the settings and then authorize. You have to select the Odilo. Okay, so don't forget that. So we have even other resources, the databases available has been using the Adobe Editions also for their offline reading. I'm sorry, I'm bubbling. Okay, so that's the same thing after installation of Adobe Digital Edition application. The reader has to change the settings, click authorize, and where you are asked to enter your username and your password. So whatever your username and password with Odilo, that would be also your credentials here in Adobe Digital Edition. So we also provided a little guide for you guys. So it's linked to our pnm.odilo.us at the bottom area of the page. So how to install it, how to manage the Adobe Digital Editions to your computer. And the good thing here is we also have the Odilo at U Pustaka app. So this is the personalized app by Odilo created for Malaysia or the National Library of Malaysia. So this is the name of our app, Odilo at U Pustaka. You just need to install it. So this is what it looks like. There's a logo here. And you have to again enter your Odilo credentials. Okay, so creating account is really the start of everything. So this application can be activated to App Store, Google Play, and to Huawei or App Gallery devices. Okay, so later after this, I'm gonna show you as well how it looks like to our mobile application. So this is a compressed view from the web version. So there's our the home where the covers are shown, and then the searching feature, the bookshelf, and the account information, or where you can control your account, where you can make changes or get the summary of your activity. Okay, and the good thing here is your app can be activated up to 6 devices. Okay, I believe some of you already really using the Netflix. So the same thing with that, you can actually share one account to another. So you can activate this app or your account up to 6 devices. So for example, you have a phone, you have a tablet, and then you can also activate this app to your probably your niece or your nephew or your your siblings. You can share this to them. Okay, and book club or the learning experience. So this is the type of the book club that is available, the type of the learning experience available to us is book club. There's actually a bunch of type of learning experiences. There's uh, online classroom. We have different types of it, like for trainings, but for the National Library of Malaysia, the available learning experience type is book club. Okay, so this is generally a virtual space that the same thing that I mentioned earlier. It's a space for user collaboration. So it enables to exchange ideas and experiences, and we also um, selected the best titles that you can explore and use in the platform for each of the book club rooms. So there's these book clubs has different topics or rooms. Okay, so currently we have three types again, and these are the name of our book club rooms. So emotional intelligence, business and entrepreneurship, and personal development. Okay, so again we have selected best titles for you to use, and it's inside in each of these book club rooms. Okay, if you want to be part of any of this book club, you can just click Start Experience, and you will be redirected to access all of the tabs. Okay, so later I'm gonna show how it works. Okay, so do not forget to click the Start Experience button to join on any of these book club rooms. So this is what it looks like. So if you are new, if you are not yet part of any of these book club rooms, you won't be able to see all of these tabs. But if you are, you can now see the timeline, the content, the titles that you can actually borrow. There's a forum where you can again exchange your thoughts, collaborate with each other, and you can also cite some quotes and chat, or you can also access the statistics inside in each of these book clubs. Okay, all right. So let's move to our mobile application. So I'm gonna turn to my other device to show you the mobile app version of our Odilo. Okay, so this is our app. I already installed it to my um, device. Okay, these are our banners. These are the carousels available to our platform. We have different carousels available, like for magazines and newspaper. There's for comics, children's books, emotional intelligence, and many more. So that's the homepage. And then there's the search feature where can we can enter the text, and then we can filter it by publisher, by author. You can use also the filter from the app version and browse the learning experience. So these are currently our book club rooms, bookshelf. So all of the titles that we are borrowing, especially the ebooks, will be loaded here. So if you are okay, so since we are recording, okay, as you can see, when I pop in the bookshelf and open the book, it is prohibited for copyright purposes. So we want to make sure that no one is really illegally copying these titles or these resources. But this is how it happens. When you let's try other one. When you borrow a book, okay, my internet is not working so well.
Yes, Angela, there's a question from Puan Hasdarina.
Okay.
She mentioned that can user eligible to download or snapshot articles from magazine?
Um, I don't think that would be allowed because it the screenshot feature, or probably the that settings in your computer is is automatically not activated. I really tried it for quite some time. It is not working. When you try to screenshot it, it will not work. It is like disabled. As you can see, when I try really just to open it, since we are recording, it was um see here, it was detected by the application, or yeah, by the application that it will not gonna open. Okay, so screenshots and screen recording are not permitted to protect copyrighted material. So when you click accept, it will close. Okay, so what we can only do, we cannot really actually capture picture from the magazines. What we can only do is really use it from our devices. So I think that's the security of our platform. Juan Ross.
Yeah, but if we are not recording, then that feature is possible, right?
I also tried it. I mean, when you open it, this one, it will open. But since we are recording, it's not possible.
No, what?
I also
No,
tried
what?
it, even not recording. It is not also working as well because it is automatically disabled.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So the next one is the list. So one of the features also available in our platform is creating list or manage the titles that we are reading inside the platform. You can actually create different subjects like this, okay, and you can save it to your account. And then the more, okay, so you can access the holds, the content suggestions, history, and many more through here, okay, and access the notifications and many more here from the application. Okay, so that's about it for the app. So let's move to our web version. So again, our URL is pnm.odilo.us. This is our home button, and this is our link to our learning platform, which is our book clubs. And you can also find your notifications through here in this bell. Okay, so if there's a red button here, it means we have some unread notifications. There's also a help button here. Okay, we have just updated the help button where you can have some guides on how to really use the platform with the app, with the frequently asked questions. So later, if you need more information or if you miss some information in the discussion, you can actually rely on these guides here. And then this is our user area. I'm already logged in, and this is our search. So this we in this part where we can filter our searching. Okay. So for example, you want to look for business intelligence. For example, for our keyword, it will provide different type of contents related to our search term. So there's 1,000, about 1,600 related titles on that. And then there's audiobooks, there's also courses, and there's also magazines, many more. So from here, we can click any of the cover of the book. And then as you click the cover of the book, there will be two buttons here. You can click the preview if you don't want to borrow it yet. You can just have the preview button here for you to have a glimpse of the contents inside. Okay, you can move the pages from the arrows on the left and right. And these are the table of content. That's just really a preview, like a uh, list of table of contents and publication details. Okay, so you can borrow here if you really want to borrow the title, or you just click this one. Okay, so I'm gonna click this one, and as we have this borrowed, we have two options here to read in no breather. Okay, so the no breather is the proprietary reader created for Odilo resources. So this one is already complete. Okay, so later we'll be going on that part. So we can move the pages from the arrows on the left and right. And we can maximize as well the features up in here. So this is the text to speech. Okay. So if you just want somebody to read it for you, you can have this. Um, I am not so sure if the audio is fared, but when you play this, somebody is reading it, and you can actually um, adjust the reading speed and change the accent. So the one I am having is the US English, and then there's the British English as well. So that is a text to speech, and then the search. So this simply, if you are looking a specific term, name, you can just key it in here. Okay, so just for the purpose of our example, I'm looking for this word. It will be redirected to that word and that page. And as I click this, it will move it through the pages. Okay, that word philosophy. Okay, so that is a search. So the next one is the bookmarks. So we can as well create bookmarks as we read the titles in our platform. Okay, and then the next one is the full screen. If you want to make it a little bigger in reading, you can do that. Okay, and there's the menu here where you can access the titles by chapters. Okay, it will save our time clicking this arrow. If you want to go on specific chapters, you can just go it in here. And same thing as search. Let's try to use the same word earlier, so philosophy. So here it will be highlighted, and it will tell you here the position of that that word is appeared on those pages. So for example, let's just try this one in position 61%. It You will be redirected to that page. And so that's for the search. So next one is the bookmark. So all of the bookmarks that we made earlier will be saved here on the right side. Okay? And then you can delete it if you want. So it says here bookmarks and notes. How about the notes? So we can have our notes here, highlight it, and can also create highlights and add our notes. If you want to remember some important part of the book, you can do so by having it here, by creating bookmarks, notes, and also the highlights here. Let's try another highlights and notes. So it's it, blue, there's green, and notes. All of those will be saved here on the right side. So you can freely edit it if you want or delete it. Then statistics, how long that we've been reading the title. So with statistics and reading history, it is only for the current session. Okay? So when you disconnected to the internet or probably you turn off your computer, sign out, it will turn back to zero. But the totality of your performance or your reading is recorded in the admin panel, which is available to our admins. Then readability settings. So we have options here if you're comfortable with other font for some reason, or if the user is dyslexic, we also have the font for dyslexics, and we can actually adjust the font size, the line spacing, the background color. If you're comfortable reading black and white, it is available here in the readability settings. So let me just return it to the original one. Yeah. So you can also make it one or two pager feet setting. And the voice control. So when you enable this, this feature will be automatically activated. So let's enable it. And as you say these words, play, pause, stop. So let's try it. Play, play. Okay, let's try it again. Play, play. I might gonna need to play. Anyway, so that's how it works. Probably with my internet is bit okay, but let's try for the last time. Play, play. Okay, I know now. Play. Anyway, so that's how our voice control works. So as you say those terms, play, pause, stop, our text to speech will be automatically activated. Okay, so that's for the no breather. So the next one is download for Adobe Digital Editions, in which this is for the offline reading. But before we actually go into that, so I'm going to show you when you open a book, there's also a link here at the bottom where you can be also linked with other related resources. Okay, so it is also interlinked with each other. And then with also a subject, it is also included or linked in a specific subject such as this. And to also provide you here information about the title and if you want to add this to your favorites. Okay, so for example, you want to add this to your favorites. So this is not actually borrowing it, but adding it to your favorites and for later purposes or for later reference. And here we can also create lists to manage our titles. Before, for example, I can select private because I wanted only to say it. I don't want it to share to everybody. So June 2024. So for example, um, I want to borrow it in next month or probably for my reference. I can create different lists here for different subjects. And we can also share it to Facebook, Twitter, or, or copy it in link, email it to somebody. But the one who received this should also have the access with our platform. And if you also uh, found any problem with or issue with our title, you can report back to us and put here the details. And the site where I earlier highlighted, so we have again 7 citation styles, and we can select it. So for example, this is what we need. I think this is the most common. Click copy, okay, and that one. Okay. So on this part, you would able to cite the resources that you're reading. You're gonna probably need it on your research, on your thesis. Okay, so it's very important to cite our resources. So let's move back to our Adobe Digital Editions for offline reading. So I just need to click that. And there's also an application already installed to my computer. So I just need to open it, and it will be loaded into this application. Okay, so this is the book that we just downloaded, and these are the table of contents. So you can jump on specific chapters if you want. You can also have your bookmarks here, and this is our bookmark feature for Adobe Digital Edition. So all of your bookmarks can be found on this one next to the table of content. So you can flip the pages or just use this, hover your mouse here at the bottom area. So when we go back to the library, you can see here the books that we downloaded, and there's a ribbon here says 20 days, because again, how many days that we can borrow a title? It's 21 days, and today is counted. So that's why the left days are 20 days. Okay? So some of the expired are no longer accessible. So what you need to do is to reborrow the same title if you still want to download it here or read it. So that's about it for Adobe Digital Edition. And let's move to go back to home. Okay. You can jump on specific carousels available here. This is just some of the titles. Okay. There's a bunch of here, as you can see. You can filter it by format or use it in your basic searching. You just need to key in your keywords at this part. And there's also link for our applications, so for mobile application installation. And there's also content platform guide here, but you can also maximize it or use it through here, help. And the virtual book club can also have it here. Okay, so we are now in the last part of our walkthrough. So loans, earlier we have a glimpse already from our app, but this is what it looks like in the web version. So these are currently our checkouts. So there's already 3, and one of those are added to our favorites. Okay, so we have time left here when it will expire. Okay, all right. So that's our loans holds. If there's any title, I would really say that not all of the titles in our platform are unlimited. So there's like a few copies. So what you can do is to place a hold of those titles. So whenever it is ready or returned to our library, you will be informed, and you can now check it out. So if there's any hold in your platform, in your account, there will be something in here. So next one is the list. Okay, so earlier we have created different lists, or rather the June 2024 list. So this is added and created here. So this when we see all of those lists and also the favorites. So this is how it looks like. So these are the titles that we have marked this heart icon here. Then content suggestion. So this is just one of the features available in our platform that we can actually suggest, but not automatically. Once you suggest, it will be added. Not that way, because there's a selection, or rather there's a cost entail when we wanted to have a title added to this platform. We can freely suggest any. So this is subject for approval by our library admins. The next is history. So from that word itself, this is just a record of the titles that you open, that you borrow. So all of this will be recorded here. Then searches, the queries that we use when we do our searching, it is also recorded here in our account. The statistics, it will give us an idea of our usage for the last 30 days. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The book that we completed, audiobook, video, or courses. Then challenges, okay? So you can actually create a monthly challenge for yourself, because again, reading is learning, right? So somehow we can maximize these resources and make use its um, very best potential by reading it and learning from it. So monthly challenge, for example, we can set a monthly challenge to read, listen, or view. So for example, so that's a big challenge anyway. Again, it's a challenge. It's really challenging, you know. So we can create three, and then it will be set here, and this is our target. Okay, you have to read, listen, or watch a title every 10 days. You can do some sort of challenge as well. Let's say spend 20 minutes a day. Okay, you can really maximize this to increase your knowledge, your reading comprehension. So make use of this challenges feature in our platform. Notification. So we've been really sending weekly thematic blasts. So we also highlighted some of the links, so you can make use of that here in our notifications. My account. Okay, so this is where we reset or change our password, our name, and set our preferences and interests. So as you can see here, there's accept holds automatically. So earlier we've discussed the holds. So when you click this and enable this, it means that when the book that we are waiting is available, it will automatically um, check out to our account. So you can see here, when this option is activated, a hold that is available to borrow will automatically be checked out and appear in your checkout section. Okay, so you can disable it or enable it as you wish. And device management. Okay, so this one is the monitoring of our account or the devices connected to our account. So again, we can activate up to 6 devices. Okay, so one account can be good for 6 devices. So as you can see here, there's iPod, there's I think this is, not sure if this is also another device, type of device, so Pixel. So you can activate it here, and there's 2 more left if you want. Okay, so again, you can share it to other devices or to other friends, colleagues that you have and you wanted to share. So that's about it. Oh no, not yet. I'm sorry. Let's move to our book club. Sorry, I get so excited. Okay, let me just change my account. So again, we have 3 types of book club rooms. So there's emotional intelligence, okay, there's business and entrepreneurship, and personal development. So I'm just gonna log into my account. Okay. So as you can see, none of this are of this book club rooms I've been signed on. So what I can do is to click start experience. So that is what it looks like when you are not part of this experience or this book club room. You can only see the about tab and the content tab. So what we can do is to go back to home and start the experience. So when I click that, when I open this, there will be timeline, content, forum, quotes, chat, and statistics added here in my tabs. So again, we have handpicked these titles for you guys, and we um, think of these 3 topics might be helpful for each and every one of us to learn something new in each of these topics. So there's the about timeline. So all of the activities happening inside the platform, or rather in the book club, will be recorded here. The content, okay, so you can make use of this. You click access here and read it from here. Same thing, it will open to our new reader. Okay, so for example, I want to share this to the group of this book club. Just highlight it and click the C icon here. So this is interesting. Check it out. So when you send that, it will be available here to our okay. Wait, what title that we open? Boost your mental capabilities. Here. So this is interesting. Check it out. So this is where our quotes are being published. So everybody seeing this title and also included in this book club, it will be published to everyone. It will be publicized. Everyone can see my quotes, and I can really start a conversation here where we can exchange my thoughts, where we can collaborate. So this is the very feature or goal of our book club. So you can create, we can have a virtual discussion together with these contents and these topics. Okay, so for the chat, I can also chat somebody from here. You know, direct. It's only um for the admins. Sorry, for the directly for the admins, not for the other users. Then statistics. So this is about the statistics or your progress in reading the book. Okay, so these are the tabs. So again, that is the about, where you can see the date and the followers. You see here, there's 52 followers of this book club. So you might want to be part of this as well. And then timeline and the content. One of the most important, or the most important part, is the accessing these titles or this content. And don't forget to share it, quote it, and share it to our group, to our book club. So let's just go back to home. Again, you just need to click the start experience to be part in each of these book clubs. So that's about it for the book club. And with our Odilo platforms. I hope I'm not that fast in discussing and walking you through, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave that part to everyone after we created our account. So that's about it. I think we can now move to our Q&A. Yeah, we can now move to our Q&A discussion. You can just simply type in your questions or your
Now, Angel,
clarifications in our chat.
before I think we proceed. You want to proceed with quiz or what? I think we proceed with Q&A first.
We'll have the quiz first.
Q&A first.
Q&A. Yeah.
Hello, Miss Angela. Thank you for sharing, and also thank you to PNM. I have a quick question. You said that we can share the app with 6 people, right? Let's see if I want to share this with a child. Is there any like customized, like I can customize kids book for the children?
Unfortunately, once we share this to let's say for a child, we can only control it. I mean the same how sorry. Whatever is our account is checked out, it will also be linked with the child. So if we are sharing this to our child, probably we can control it, or really be careful about the titles that they are gonna read, because again, this is a multidisciplinary and we don't want them to see any things that they shouldn't be seeing in our platform. So yeah, it's possible, but then you still need to monitor. So far, we don't have yet the feature where we can lock some features or titles for them. So basically, it's general for now.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
We can still see the title that they access, right?
Yes, yes.
Ada soalan lagi ke? Boleh kalau malu boleh chat, boleh type di ruangan chat box atau terus bertanya kepada Miss Angeline sekarang. Dan Cik Syam boleh membantu rasanya. Kan Cik Syam? Boleh bantu?
Ya, insyaAllah. Kalau yang apa nak tanya soalan bahasa Malaysia ke boleh juga.
Boleh bertanya terus.
Puan Ros pun boleh translate.
Boleh lah. Yang malu-malu, boleh tanya terus mana yang tak faham, mana ada kemuskilan. Tak ada masa lagi sebelum ke kuis, atau masing-masing dah tak sabar nak tunggu soalan kuis sebenarnya ni Cik Syam? Ada soalan? Dan Azmiah.
Any more questions?
I think we continue with the with quiz, Miss Angela.
Okay. Okay. So I just want to clarify, Juan Ros. We are having. I actually prepared um 10 questions, but
Hmm?
because we have a lot here this morning,
Mm-mm.
um I'm not sure if it's okay, but is it okay to just identify probably on the 9 and 10 question, or rather, yeah, in any of this question we will have two winners. Is that okay?
Do
Okay.
you have any maybe you have any you can remember maybe three extra question you have
Wait,
Extra
I'll
question will be
just
okay.
extra question. All
you
right.
don't need to use you don't need to use PowerPoint, just any and you have any you
Okay.
three extra question that pop up in your mind, then maybe you can ask later.
The easiest
So
way.
we yeah.
Yeah.
So we need to add five more, right?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Think so we'll start with the the first 10.
The no, you start with the rules.
Yeah, yeah. Let's share my screen. Right? So our quiz mechanics will be questions will be shown in slides, and there will be 10 questions on the game based on the trainee discussion. But since we have a lot here this morning, we'll be adding five more questions. And questions are a mix of identification and multiple choice. Choice and the answer for the multiple choice should be like this. It has to be complete. So we have here Sham and Susan for us to check the correct one. And the first correct answer is the winner. And there will be one winner for each of the question, and we can only win once. Okay? So once we
No,
identify the winner, mhm.
Angel, they can only win once except for the last and the second last question.
Okay,
If they already
okay,
win before, but they can still answer the last and second last question only for the second prize. But otherwise, they can only win one. They they can only answer one question, except for the last and second last question.
okay. All right. For the winners, kindly share your full name and mobile number in the chat box so we can arrange the sending of your prizes. So, you're ready? I already popped it up. So, question number one. Um, okay, let me. So, ready your keyboards and chatting the answer. Okay, we'll be starting now. So the question number one is, it is the name of PNM's Odilo mobile app, and it's available in App Store, Google Play, and App Gallery for download. The question is, what is the name? Sorry, the question is, what is the name of PNM's Odilo mobile app? What is the name of Odilo's mobile app? I haven't seen yet the correct answer. Okay. All right. I think we got the correct answer. It's ni niwa niwasini A-P Odilo at U-Pustaka. That's the name of our Odilo mobile app. Niwa, sorry, it's very hard for me to pronounce it. It's user Niwasini A-P. You are the winner for the question number 1. Okay, Miss. I'm not sure if it's Miss or Mister.
Yes. Miss.
You are. All right. So just put your name and your mobile so we can contact you for your prize.
Okay,
Congratulations.
thank you.
Okay.
Not yet.
So
I no, we haven't got the contact number yet. You cannot
okay.
proceed with the question. Okay.
Okay. All right. Next question. In the learning experience platform or book club, what the user needs to do or click to be part of the room. In the learning experience platform or in our book club, what the user needs to do or click to be part of the room. Okay. It is also the perfect time for you to really go to the platform, probably check it out to know the answer.
Look like
It's a
this
no.
question is quite difficult. So far, only two answer of the question. The learning was what?
Okay, we got the correct answer. It's Muhammad Afif bin Start Experience. So that's the correct answer. Start Experience. Congratulations, Mr. Muhammad. Please put your mobile number in our chat box. Please, thank you and congratulations.
Cik Muhammad Afi.
Yeah,
Okay, terima kasih.
thank you. All right, for the third question, how many devices you can activate connect to your Odilo mobile app? Okay, they're so quick. Okay, it's Mr. Mo Jeffrey bin Hassan. Yes, all of you answered the correctly. It's 6 devices, but the first one who type in the correct answer is Mr. Mod Jeffrey. You can put your mobile Mr. Mod Jeffrey in our chat box. Okay, thank you. Congratulations. Number 4 question. How many days you can check out, borrow a resource from Odilo Plus? Okay, you got the correct answer. It's Si Hong Karen Kwan. Si Hong Karen Kwan. You can put your mobile number. You're the winner and the fastest person who can type in the correct answer in our chat. So congratulations. Missy Hong Karen Kwan. Okay, thank you. Congratulations. Number 4. What is the URL of PNM's Odilo platform? You can answer the complete answer in our chat. It should be complete. I'm saying the answers. All right. So the correct answer or the winner for this one is Mr. Samsidar Binti Sharif. Samsidar Binti Sharif. Because Miss, I'm not sure if it's Miss or Mr. As 90 doesn't include the letter. So the most correct one is Samsidar Binti. Please put your um mobile number in our chat. Congratulations. Okay, thank you. Number 6 question. How many resources a user can check out, borrow from Odilo platform? Okay, already got the correct one. Is Ensik Asril Hisham bin, yeah, that's him. I believe it's him. Ensik Azril Hisham bin Abu Bakar. You are the winner for the question number 6. So we can check out up to 3 resources. Thank you. Question number 7. What is the title of the only newspaper available in the platform? What is the title of the only newspaper title available in our platform? So earlier I discussed the magazine. Okay, we got the correct answer. It's Miss Norazila binti Norazila binti. You're the winner for the question number 7. Congratulations. So that's the only title available in our platform for the newspaper. It's the Washington Post. Okay. Question number 8. There are 98 magazine titles in our platform, and how many of them are in English language? How many of them are in English language? Okay. Haven't seen yet the correct answer.
And yeah, later for question 9 and 10, you keep it for the last question.
Okay. So for you to get the correct answer, you have to
You have to play with the database itself.
go to our database.
Yeah.
I think I have created the quiz so hard this time.
Yeah, I think just now the question number 2 was quite difficult. Not difficult, tricky.
Yeah. So you better, the users have to really go to the platform. And
Yes.
okay, we got the correct answer. It's Juan Marjit Kaur. The correct answer is 44. So there's 44 English magazine titles in our. Yeah, thank you for so quick. Okay, so this time I'm just gonna say it to you guys because this is an extra question. Okay, so please listen carefully. So this is the extra questions. The first one is, what is the Adobe application you need to install for you to read the ebooks offline? What is the Adobe application you need to install to your computer for you to read the books offline? Mm-hmm. Okay, congratulations, Miss. I'm not sure if it's me. Mm, sorry, Miss Norlelwati, because it's the first one who got the correct one. Really, the correct one is Miwasni, Miwasini A-P Adobe Digital Edition. So that's the correct answer for our question. Adobe Digital Edition. Thank you. Okay, the next question, next extra question. How many hours you can borrow the magazines and newspaper? Okay, correct, Miss Suza, Suziana Binti. Suziana Binti. Okay, congratulations. And okay, let me. You can install this one. We have if anybody can answer with the correct answer, there will be three winners. So the app, our Odilo at U-Pustaka mobile app is available through the following online stores. So this is available to 1, 2, 3, so that we can install. I mean, we can install it to other devices or to all of our devices. But what are these devices or stores? We can install our mobile app. Okay. So the first one is Miss Norlelwati Binti Play Store. Okay, I think we'll just identify the first three one. It's Miss Norlelwati Binti. Did Mr. Mod Jeffrey Bin ready one? And Mr. Muhammad Afif Bin. Isham. So the winners were Miss Norlelwati Binti, Mr. Mod Jeffrey, and Mr. Muhammad Afif. So we got already Miss Norlelwati Binti mobile. So there's 1, 2, 3. And we can now move to the final question for our um, last two grand prize. Mr. Muhammad Afif, you're
Yeah, we
the
got
next
already.
winner. One already?
We got 3 already.
Um,
Lilawati, Jeffrey, and then Afif.
okay. Okay. All right. For our last two grand question, okay, let me share again my screen. For our last two, first one is give two citation styles available in the cite feature. Give or name two citation styles available in our okay, so I got the winner. I'm gonna accept the answer of Suhaili BT Che Muhammad. Suhaili BT Che Muhammad. It's APA and MLA. APA and MLA. And there's a lot of, or there's another 5 remaining citation styles available in our platform. Okay? Kindly put your mobile number, Miss. Yeah, Suhaili. Thank you. Congratulations. And number 3, it has to be complete. Sorry, the last one rather. It has to be the answer should be complete for you to win. Okay. Name 3 book club rooms available in the learning experience platform. What are those 3 book club rooms available in our experience platform, learning experience platform? It has to be complete for you to win the correct one. Okay, we got the one correct answer, Miss Siti Hafiza, Emotional Intelligence, Business and Entrepreneurship, and Personal Development. You are the winner for the question number 10. Congratulations. So you can put your mobile number in our chat box. Okay, so I would like to congratulate everyone for really joining our or for participating our online quiz. I'm not sure if it's really hard for everyone, but I'll make sure to really use this kind of questions for us to learn more about the platform, for us to really go and visit and get the correct answers from our platform. So with that, I only want to leave two things for you this morning. I believe we're already over time. Number one is I hope you would able to maximize the resources available through our platform and the investment that PNM has had for each and every one of you. And number two is don't forget to share it. So, you know, when we share it, we care. So it's somehow when we share these resources to other platform or rather for other users, we are giving them something or we are sharing them to learn new things. Okay, so happy reading. happy learning with our Odilo. So thank you for your time in attending this session, and I hope you got something this morning. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Angela. Thank you for your time together with us for today. And terima kasih kepada semua yang telah hadir pada hari ini. Tahniah kepada yang telah memenangi hadiah-hadiah yang ditawarkan. Tunggu saja hadiah-hadiah anda sampai kepada anda ya. Seronok hari ini ada tambahan hadiah yang disediakan oleh pihak penganjur. Pihak penganjur pula lah. Hadiah yang ditawarkan oleh pihak pekalan data. Okey, terima kasih kepada Puan Miss Angela, Cik Syam yang telah bersama-sama dengan kita pada hari ini, dan tak lupa juga kepada tim kami di bahagian sumber elektronik dan saya Rosmani Salihuddin mengucapkan sekali lagi terima kasih, dan jumpa lagi pada minggu depan dengan latihan pekalan data yang lain pula. Sokongan kami dan sama-sama bersama kami dalam menjayakan sesi eksplorasi digital U-Pustaka 2024 ini. Okey, itu sahaja daripada saya. Sekian, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Puan, kita tak ambil gambar ke Puan?
Ada lagi ke nak buka ke?
Puan Syafarah ambil gambar ke tak?
Puan Syafarah sekali dekat hospital. Tu ada yang kata tu, thank you PNM, next time saya nak menang lagi. Harap-harap lepas ni ada lagi vendor pengalaman data ya, pengendali pengalaman data yang sudi menambah soalan-soalan dan hadiah. Okay, terima kasih semua. Ya, terima kasih terutamanya. Thank you for keep supporting us.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great
Thank you.
day.
Thank you, Angela. I hope to see you soon at
We'll see each other.
at Selangor Public Library next week.
Yes.
Yeah.
Get well.
Yeah, get well insyaAllah. Okay, terima kasih semua.